Welcome back to Product Critique. If you've been struggling with walks that feel more like tug-of-war matches, you're in for a game-changer. Today, we're reviewing the best dog harness no-pull adjustable, the PetSafe Easy Walk No-Pull Dog Harness, medium, large, in raspberry and gray. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. The PetSafe Easy Walk harness arrives in a compact package and feels lightweight right out of the box. It's made of durable nylon and features a sleek raspberry-gray color combo that's stylish but practical. What stands out immediately is the unique front leash attachment and the patented martingale loop across the chest. Unlike traditional harnesses that connect on the back, which often encourage pulling, this one connects at the front. That shifts your dog's momentum sideways when they try to pull, gently steering them back toward you. It doesn't hurt or choke, it's just smart design. Putting it on is a breeze. The harness has quick snap buckles on both shoulder and belly straps. The belly strap is color-coded, making it nearly impossible to get it wrong. Even if your dog is a wiggler, you'll have it secured in seconds. Now here's where the magic happens. On the walk, you'll notice how quickly your dog stops pulling. That martingale loop applies gentle pressure across the chest and shoulders instead of the throat, helping you maintain control without any harsh corrections. It's perfect for training better leash manners, even if you've got a strong, determined walker on your hands. Because the Easy Walk doesn't ride up to the throat, your dog avoids gagging or coughing even if they lunge forward. The minimal coverage also keeps it breathable and cool, great for long walks or warmer days. As for sizing, the medium, large is ideal for breeds like border collies, standard poodles, or smaller labs. The adjustable straps mean you can fine-tune the fit for your dog's unique shape, snug, but never tight. It's no wonder this harness was created by a veterinary behaviorist and has been trusted by millions of pet parents since 2004. With over 45,000 ratings and the badge of #1 bestseller in dog halter harnesses, it's clear this isn't just another product, it's a proven solution. Whether you're training a new puppy or taming an older dog's pulling habit, the PetSafe Easy Walk is a fantastic option. It's user-friendly, comfortable, and most importantly, effective. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're ready to enjoy stress-free, controlled walks, this harness might be exactly what you need. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more product insights every week.